Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Doggy is beginning the second round of sell-offs. First time obviously was from 72. Oh, that's my daughter. First round was the whole Elon Musk thing, selling from 72 cents down to lows of 41. I do think we're headed back to those lows, possibly even lower than that. We're actually about to cross over on the reverse MACD to basically letting me know if you're long on this, to sell your positions, or in other words, basically go short, right? On the day chart, we're still pretty. There's still a long way to go for us to go all the way back down. I mean, I think at minimum we might hit these 47 levels on the stochastic, but there's still a long way to go for this to go short. I do think there's a very strong chance I do think we're going to go back to this 41, 42 cent, 44 cent level, whatever. But there's a very strong chance we're going to go all the way down to 37 cents, possibly back down to like 25 cents, I think. Yeah, I mean, everything is showing pretty big signs of another move down. Even the weekly MACD is showing signs of downward movement and stuff. So this isn't really, like I said, it's not. I told you guys that there was a bunch of that DogeCoin has been wanting to sell off for a very long time, since before the Elon Musk skit on Saturday SNL, whatever, right? But I'm telling you, once the hype on Doggy dies down, this thing's gonna go back down. Like the only thing that's running this is hype, and then you have other like meme coins basically coming out, like Shiba, SafeMoon. I heard about Eclipse and Bonfire and a bunch of random ones. And all this money is basically moving to like a different crypto. That's it. It's basically moving to a different crypto. I mean, I'm telling you, the 4 hour, last time we sold off, we went from those highs of 72 cents down to what? Down to that 41. So we sold off. How many cents did we sell off? We sold from 73 down to 41. So like 30 cents. So again, these highs of 60 cents. I mean, there's a solid chance we're going to go back to 30 cents, man. I mean, I honestly think we're going to be somewhere in this level in the next couple of days. Anywhere between 25 cents and like the 200 MA, which is around 30 cents. I think we might actually touch that 200 MA. So I'll see you guys later.